Here's a 2016 Buick Regal. Make an impression in this expectation-shattering Regal. The race-inspired accents hint at the thrilling ride ahead. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, Easy Key, front heated leather sports seats, configurable instrument gauges, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, automatic with driver control suspension management, and power heated mirrors. From New Car Test Drive, we found the Regal very quiet, with a very smooth ride, a welcome respite on miserable commutes, and a good partner for cross-country drives. It may be the quietest car in its class. Experience a different kind of luxury with a Buick. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.